Imagine this. Lights low, mug warm, and the exact scent you crave drifting through your space, because you made it. Not store-bought kinda close, but your ultimate aroma escape, poured by you. Today, I'm crafting scented candles the simple, satisfying way, and building a signature fragrance that feels like home. Hook, then soothe. Let's do it. First, gear check. Soy wax flakes for a creamy, clean burn. Cotton wicks with wick stickers. Heat-safe jars. A pour pitcher. A kitchen scale. A thermometer. Fragrance oils made for candles, or essential oils designed for candle use. Quick safety sip. I melt wax slowly, never on direct high heat. I ventilate, keep water far from hot wax, and never walk away from a flame. Step 1. Melt. Fill a pot with a few inches of water. Set a metal pitcher inside and melt the wax gently, low simmer. Heat until about 170-180 degree Celsius, 76-82 degree Celsius. Step 2. Scent math. Aim for an 8% fragrance load. That's 0.8 Oz fragrance per 10 Oz wax, about 8 grams per 100 gram. Strong, not headachy. Step 3. Add fragrance. Cool wax to 150-160 degree, 65-71 degree. Stir in oils for 2 full minutes. Slow circles. No frantic whisking. This helps the hot throw. Step 4. Prep jars. Stick wick sticker to wick tab and press to jar center. Hold 5 seconds. Use a clothespin or wick centering bar to keep upright. Step 5. Pour. At 140-150 degree in 60-65 degree, pour slowly. Guide the stream down a chopstick to reduce bubbles. Top off just below the rim. Now the patience part. Cure. Let sit undisturbed 48 hours minimum, 1 week if possible. Trim wick to about 1/4 inch, 6-7 millimeters before lighting. Okay, the fun, creating your signature blend. Think in a scent pyramid. Top, heart, base. Top notes, citrus, eucalyptus, mint. Heart notes, lavender, rose, cardamom. Base notes, vanilla, sandalwood, amber, musk. 3 easy combos I love. Fresh focus, bergamot, top. Rosemary, heart. Cedar, base. Soft night, lavender, heart. Vanilla, base. A whisper of amber. Cabin morning, orange zest, top. Cardamom, heart. Sandalwood, base. Room vibes matter. Small bedrooms, gentle herbs, soft florals. Living rooms, warm woods and vanilla. Kitchen, bright citrus. Troubleshooting. Tunneling. Wick too small or first burn too short. Upsize wick and burn to edges. Sooty flame. Wick too big or long, trim shorter. Frosting on soy. Natural, charm marks. Use a heat gun for smoother tops. Sinkholes. Poke relief holes and warm the surface to level. Lighting ritual. Windows cracked a touch, wick trimmed, match struck. Then, breathe. The scent you chose, your mood in candle form, wraps the room. That's the joy. Build the fragrance, don't chase it. 1 pour, 1 note, 1 quiet evening at a time. If you try this, tell me your blend. Top, heart, base. I might steal it with credit and pour my next escape.